In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate or freeze a user in Salesforce. This is a useful skill to have, especially when managing user access within your organization. Whether you're dealing with an employee leaving the company or you simply want to suspend a user's access temporarily, knowing how to either freeze or deactivate a user in Salesforce can come in handy. First, you'll want to navigate to Salesforce. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in Salesforce's familiar interface, your next step will be to focus on the gear icon, which is usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking this gear icon will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select Setup. This option will take you into the broader configuration area where you can manage various administrative tasks. Now that you're in Setup, you'll need to locate the Users section. The easiest way to do this is by using the Quick Find box located on the left-hand side of the screen. Simply type Users into this box and it will display the Users option. Click on it to view a list of all the users associated with your organization. Alright, so now you're viewing a list of users and wondering who to freeze or deactivate. Take a look through the list and identify the user whose account needs adjusting. Remember, it helps to have the user ID or name handy to speed up the search process. Once you've identified this user, let's go through the steps to either freeze or deactivate their account. Initially, if you prefer to temporarily prevent them from logging into their account without fully deactivating it, you can choose to freeze the account. This can be done swiftly by simply clicking the Freeze button located at the top part of the user's profile. This action immediately suspends their login access but keeps their account information intact. It's a great option if you expect the user may need access again in the near future. On the other hand, if you need to permanently restrict access, you'll want to deactivate the user. Start by clicking Edit on the user's profile. This will allow you to make changes to their account settings. Look for the checkbox labeled Active. To deactivate the account, simply uncheck this box. After you've done that, don't forget to click Save. This action will finalize the deactivation process, effectively barring the user from accessing Salesforce. And there you have it, a straightforward way to either freeze or deactivate a user account in Salesforce. By mastering these steps, you protect sensitive information and manage user access effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips.